Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. It's going to be a good day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background blur using Affinity Photo. Let's jump in right now. It's going to be very quick. First of all, I've got a photo already. So what you have to do, you have to go to the light filter and then jump into depth of field. Now we have got two options. Option number one is elliptical, or you can do tilt and shift. Personally, for portrait or any kind of product photography, I like to use the round background blur. So obviously now it's completely on your choice. If you want to add a strong blur, you can go about 4 pixel to 9 pixel. Personally, I like really strong at the edges, and then I like a slow fade out. So what I can do, I can stay between 12 to 15. So let's stay in 15. The second thing I like to do is using a little bit of vibrance, makes the photo nice and colorful, then a very touch of clarity. So that's that, it's already done. Now only thing you got left is to adjust it. So only way you can adjust it, you can click again, then make sure that it's nice and round, but you make sure that the body is out of blur or almost. You don't need to be perfect, but you should make sure that the face or prime subject always stay out of the blur zone. So that's step number one. Step number two should be quickly go to the brush and then make sure that it's selected black already. And then all you have to do is to brush some area out to make sure that the subject stay in focus while everything else stay out of focus. So very easy, very quick. I'm not going to make it perfect because the whole idea is to demonstrate how this thing works. Now, of course, you can always add a little bit more background blur, depends on your choice, obviously. So this is it, very easy, very quick. With this tool, you can easily add some really good background blur in your portrait photography. I hope this video has been very helpful. If so, please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Look after yourself. Bye bye.